Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're about to delve into the intriguing world of manufacturing, specifically focusing on its future in the United States. We'll be citing authoritative sources, analyzing industry predictions, and discussing the factors that could influence these forecasts. So, if you're interested in knowing where the U.S. manufacturing industry is headed, this is a video you won't want to miss. Just sit back, relax, and let's unravel this together. Now, let's dive into the future of manufacturing in the United States over the next 5 years. According to the MAPI Foundation, we're looking at some strong growth in manufacturing output. The industry forecast is projecting an average of 2.8% growth over the next 3 years. We're starting off with a robust forecast of 3.9% growth in 2019, then tapering down to 2.4% in 2020 and 1.9% in 2021. The outlook for the manufacturing industry is influenced by a mix of both positive and negative factors. The current outlook suggests that the industry may grow at a relatively high rate. But there are industry uncertainties that are challenging how long this will be the case. So, what are the signs pointing towards growth in the manufacturing industry? Well, the 2019 industry outlook from Deloitte confirms strong signs of growth in manufacturing. Deloitte believes that growth expectations are likely to be surpassed for 2 consecutive years, from 2017 to 2018 and 2018 to 2019. Additionally, manufacturing GDP numbers are expected to rise by 3% over 2017. That's the highest growth levels we've seen since 2010. Tax cuts are also playing a role in boosting growth in manufacturing. Lower taxes mean businesses have more room to increase investments in equipment that supports manufacturing demands. By increasing capital equipment spending, manufacturing profitability correlates positively. There are also other short-term developments adding to the forecasted growth of the industry. For instance, there's been a noticeable increase in productivity due to new innovations in automation and 3D printing. Production costs are also lower than they've been in recent years, thanks to relatively low oil and gas prices that are extensively used in the manufacturing process. And let's not forget the resurgence of local production, which is reinforcing these boosts in manufacturing growth. The American market responds positively toward American-made products. This is compelling manufacturers to invest more and produce high-quality products within the U.S. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some uncertainties in the U.S. manufacturing industry. While all the figures seem to be tipping the scales in the right direction, the big question remains: how long are these trends going to last? Deloitte notes that there have been more than 400,000 job openings since January 2018. At the same time, unemployment rates are comparatively low versus recent years. But a closer look at the employment statistics shows that manufacturing processes are changing workers' expectations. Reports show that 89% of manufacturing executives are leaving jobs unfilled because of a shortage of skilled talent. In other words, a skills gap is emerging. So while the outlook for manufacturing in the U.S. is generally positive, there are some challenges on the horizon that need to be addressed. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of U.S. manufacturing. We've discussed growth projections, the impact of tax cuts, innovations in automation and 3D printing, and the challenges posed by a skills gap. For more insights like these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To learn more about how UpKeep can support your maintenance and operations teams, visit upkeep.com. Remember, the future is always in motion, and with the right tools and resources, you can be ready for anything.